Hey guys, and welcome. Incredibly excited to share with you how we can use token engineering to create robust digital economies. So why token engineering? Think about some of the problems we want to solve. Social inequality, inefficient systems, the list goes on. Tokenized ecosystems have the potential to help, but only if we design them well. While token engineering is a growing field, these tutorials will help you better understand incentives and token design. The basics will be introduced, so you can then follow your own curiosity to develop deeper insights and contribute more valuable solutions to Cardano. While Ethereum's account-based model laid a good foundation, exploring how these concepts translate to Cardano's UTXO model offered a deeper understanding of on-chain resource management. This is a 5-part tutorial series. In Module 1, we will cover an introduction to token engineering. We will look at crypto economic systems and an overview of the token engineering process. In Module 2, we will cover market design. We will learn about what markets are and how they work, and take a look at a case study. In the third section, we will cover game theory, mechanism design, and control theory, and look at its relevance when designing crypto economic systems. Next, we will look at token design and token policies, addressing some considerations when designing and governing your token economy. Finally, we will look at incentive design, and this is the crux of token engineering. How can we use tokens to incentivize and disincentivize collective behavior? So you can see there is a lot to learn, but let's take it one step at a time. For each module, we will deliver a tutorial video with supporting documentation. Japanese subtitles and translated documentation will also be available. And if you're ready to design a new generation of economic systems that are transparent, inclusive, and built to last, then let's get to it.